रेडियो पाकिस्तान के सदस्य यूरोप के मुस्लिम खामिल हमारी सबकी नशियात का आगाज रब्बे रहीम करीम के पाक बाबरकत नाम से मजलिस में आपका मेजबान है आमिर अब्दुल्ला फारिस। पूरी हमारी सबकी नशियात आपके कॉन्फ्रेंस नंबर 30 मीटर बैंड में और 50 किलो हर्ट्ज पर और 40 मीटर बैंड में 11,000 का। आज जुमेरात है 22 सितंबर 2011 तहजीब पाकिस्तान में अंग्रेजी में खबरों से This is Radio Pakistan. The news read by Karan Sharma. The President, chairing a briefing on energy in Karachi, directed to initiate short-term energy projects on fast-track basis in collaboration with the private sector. President Azari, who continues to monitor the flood relief efforts in Sindh from Karachi through video conference, has directed the members of Parliament to remain engaged with the flood victims in their hour of distress. The Prime Minister who visited Qatar today expressed heartfelt condolences with President Hamid Karzai over the assassination of former President Burhanuddin Rabbani. Pakistan has rejected allegations of war and said attacks are being carried out from across the Durand Line on its and villages, killing innocent people. And in Yemen, at least 9 people were killed in renewed violent clashes between supporters and opponents of the government today. And now the news in detail.